హలో నమస్తే వణకం హౌ ఆర్ యూ ఆల్ డూయింగ్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు आप कैसे हो நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா ஆமாம் this is flying skies one welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and thanks for all the support from the subscribers and your viewers thank you so much. Today I wanted to show you an interesting product that is used to remove the scratches on your car. This is a Waxpol compound. It's called a rubbing compound. I bought it for rupees 99, purchased on Amazon stores. There was a prompt delivery from Amazon delivery partner. Let's check how it works. It has come in a plastic container, as you see in the picture. I'm opening it. I was very interested after knowing this product to purchase and apply it because often we see scratches on the cars. This is how it looks. It's a sticky white substance. The pack is 500 grams, 99 rupees. As shown in the picture, you got to apply this rubbing compound wherever the scratches are visible on the car. This is Waxpol rubbing compound substance. After you apply on the scratches the rubbing compound, you got to wait for 10 minutes to sit in a dry state, and after that take a clean cloth, you have to wipe as shown in the picture. But it comes with scratches again because it's not working. You see, these are the scratches still visible after applying the compound. Actually, this is used for correcting scratches during buffing or polishing. It acts as a liquid sandpaper and removes the thin layer of the top coat after polishing or painting the car. Please don't purchase this product. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. And please don't forget to subscribe. Keep smiling.